Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so it's December already and 1 year has passed. Now we'll enter 2020. So my next December month video will be in 2020. Okay, so this is my typically monthly last video of 2019. Okay, so I have like whole year I have reviewed my previous month. So today I'll be reviewing my November month. So what are things I have done in November? I'll just quickly share with you guys and give some tips or something new I have tried. Okay, so basically in November I have done nothing, literally like nothing. काम तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया है. Like I haven't worked and videos also I have not uploaded, like hardly one or two, maybe that also I don't remember, because I was super busy with all this other social works. That is, one of my cousin came from Australia, so they all were staying, like all of my relatives were staying at my home, and we were like 15 to 17 people at my home. So like it was literally super awesome. We enjoyed a lot, but at the same time my work was like tic tac. I didn't do any work. I used to go late at office, and yeah, like आप लोगों की दुआ से मेरा काम चल रहा था. Yeah, you can say that. And the next thing is that in November my cousin's marriage was there. Like at the start of November we went Hyderabad and we returned at 2nd of November, I guess. Yeah, so that whole week I was just resting, and the next week that cousin came, and after that next weekend my cousin went, and then my other cousin's wedding was there. Like she's my friend plus cousin. It's like, you know, we both were in the same school, in the same class, so, and we were having the same group as well. So she's my friend first and then my cousin as well. So it was like बहुत काम था. Like I was helping her out in videos, photos and many all the other stuffs, and like there are lot of stuffs to do in wedding. I knew this time, like when it was her wedding, and she was the super bride ever I have seen. Like happy bride, hashtag happy bride. Like yeah, it was super, and her entry and everything was superb. So you must have seen all the things on Instagram and Snapchat. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, just go and follow. I keep updating my life there, so you must be like, we can connect more, and I do reply on Instagram, so you can go on Instagram and do connect with me there. Again, next thing what I did in November is something really great. Like it's great for me, obviously. I cut short my hair. Yes, if you guys are watching this video for the first time and you don't know, then I have such a long hair. I used to have such a long hair, and I just cut it short and cut it in layers and all those stuffs. So that I did this for the first time, and I even colored it. The full described video I have already uploaded. You can go in the link given in the description box or on that I button. So the colors I have used and everything. So I literally changed my look only because it was my friend's wedding, and I really enjoyed a lot. But this is something crazy. You must have seen, like this is really crazy, and this is something I checklisted from my wish list. Finally, I thought 6 months that cut nahi karu, because people love my long hair, but I wanted something new look, so I just did it finally. Like next thing I tried in November is the short hairstyle and how to curl short hair and all these things. Video coming soon. Yeah. And the next thing I discovered at my friend's haldi is that don't use Vico. I have seen nowadays that people use Vico for their haldi, but don't use. Why to use Vico? It typically looks like you are using Vico. But what you can do is mix haldi with your any of the atta, like your gheu ka atta or all those stuffs, and it looks like haldi, but it is not typically haldi, and it is not harmful for your skin as well, and you don't even feel like you have become yellow. So yeah, you can do that thing. That's what I observed. And next thing is that I discovered like you can wear your lehenga outfit in many different ways. I'll upload that video as well. Like I used to have that one lehenga. I wore that thing in 3 different styles with 3 different tops and everything. It looked amazing always, and people didn't notice that it is same. That's a great thing, right? So yeah, I'll upload video of that as well. And next thing what I did in November is that I'm just in love with this hair, and you guys won't believe I stopped going Zumba. Yeah, that's a big thing. Okay, I'll be starting by tomorrow or maybe by next week, but it has stopped. It was just because I was super busy in some of the other, and I was really tired. I needed a break. I took rest for almost 5 days. I did nothing. I just went office and came back. That's all I did. I stopped everything. I literally needed a break. And I noticed one thing, that if you guys are super exhausted and super tired, then just leave everything. Don't exert yourself and just take a break. Yeah, don't go for a holiday. Take a break at home only. Like sleep a lot, enjoy, use your phone, and just roam around here and there. Don't go for a holiday, because at the end, if you go on a holiday, you'll get tired again. So that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah guys, so my hair, yeah, that's it. Bye bye.